my channel Success Engineering Official. So as I told you, we have to continue with the draw toolbar. So different toolbars I have to explain in our tutorials. So first toolbar is the first command of the toolbar, draw toolbar, is line command. So it's already explained. You can see here, this is using the line command. I have made this simple plan. So I am going to erase this. Okay, I'm going to erase this. Then the next command is polyline command. So polyline, what is the difference between polyline and the line command? I will show you here, guys. So first of all, I am going to draw one object using the line command. So I am going to take one line. So shortcut of line command is L, enter, and I am going to draw one line like this. Okay, take one line for a distance of 3 meter and take draw upside. Okay, 2 meter, enter, and this side is 3 meter, and again just join these two line. Okay, so using the line command I draw this rectangle. So if you select this any one of the line, it's selecting individual. Okay, so this is how what is the difference of line command I just showing. So if you want to select any one of the single object, it is selecting. Okay, that means all segments are separate in the line command. Okay, but in the polyline, if you take this polyline from here and draw one rectangle like this, 3 meter, enter, downside is 2 meter, and this side is 3 meter again, and just join this. Okay, now we have to select this object, this rectangle. Once you select, all these segment are selecting one time. This is the difference between line and polyline. If you want to move this, okay, if you want to select this one, and if you want to move this complete line will be moved, complete object will be moved. Okay, now select this one. Okay, and move this, complete object is going to be moved. But in the line command, if you draw this rectangle using line command, so if you select this one and move this, so this is single line, a single object is going to be moved. Okay, you can move one by one all the segment. Okay, so this is the difference between line and polyline. Okay, if you want to stretch this object, select this one. Okay, and if you right click, you can get it here. If you select this one, you can see there are three options you can found with this draw with polyline. So first one is stretch. So select on the stretch, and you can increase and decrease the size of this. Okay, you can stretch like this. Okay, and the fourth option is if you want to select, the second option is add vortex. Okay, so if you select this add vortex, you can add any of the vortex here. If you draw with a polyline command, okay, select this one, and again the second option I am showing here, add vortex. You can use you can draw one vertex here like this. And the third option for the polyline is, if you select this object, convert to the arc, you can convert this line to the arc. So you can convert like this. Okay, so this is the difference between line and polyline. Okay, for example, one more example I am going to show here. Take one rectangle, take polyline. The shortcut keys for the polyline is PL, so I am going to use PL. Draw one line, 3 meter, enter, downside 2 meter, this side 3 meter, and upside is 2 meter. Select this and here is convert to arc. Can convert this line to the arc. Select this line, then convert to the arc like this. Okay, now you have to select this line. Okay, select this one, and if you take your cursor here and you can go to this third option, convert to Vortex. Sorry, this one. Second option, add Vortex. So you can add Vortex here. So this option you are getting only for the object which you have drawn using Polyline. So this is the difference between the Polyline and line command. So you can draw one more one circle. Here take one circle and 2 point, first point and second point. Simply use trim command, trim the extra line, and simply use the hatch command. Okay. Now this time I am going to use here as gradient. So this is how we are using the Polyline command. Okay, and this is the difference between the Polyline command and line command. The Polyline is using Polyline command you can draw one single object and one segment using the one segment, and the line command all the segments are separate, you can draw. So this is how what is the difference between the Polyline and line command. So I think you guys learn something from this video, and you can learn the difference between line and Polyline. So thank you for watching my videos, and please keep watching my videos. I will explain you guys so many commands for this AutoCAD, and this will be very useful for your daily life. Okay, and this will be very useful for all the AutoCAD draftmen and as well as engineers. So thank you for watching my videos. Thank you. By the next tutorials we will look for the circle command, and we will see different types of option for the circle command. So if you draw here, click here on the drop down button, you will get number of options for the circle. So these all options we will look in the next tutorials. So I will explain you guys all the commands for the AutoCAD. So this actually this is the draw toolbar. This is the draw toolbar: line, polyline, circle, arc, and all this. This is modified toolbar. These are called modified toolbar, and the next one is annotation toolbar, and the next one is layer toolbar and block toolbar. So I will explain you guys all the toolbars for the AutoCAD. So thank you for watching my videos. Thank you. Bye bye.